We are pleased to show you the 2011 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, bed liner, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, running boards, speed control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.